Tingnan nyo, ganito na po karami yung napitas po namin. Is it the ripe one? Hindi na ito harvesting, kundi mukbang strawberry. Oh, after harvesting. Hi guys! Welcome to Maria Lesson Channel. Today's video ay nandito po tayo sa strawberry farm. Grabe, sobrang laki po. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano po kalaki ang strawberry farm. At grabe po yung bunga niya. Sobrang dami. Buksan natin yung dahon. Ganyan po siya kadami. At dito sa kabila. All the way down there. At ang napansin ko po, ang strawberry na ito ay ang lalaki. And of course, Sylvester is here. So, meron po kami ditong lalagyan. Pupunain po namin ito ng strawberry. And umpisahan na po namin pag-harvest ng strawberry. Tara guys, sobrang daming bunga. Look, Sylvester! Woo! It's big! This is a good size. Oh, wow! Let's try!
I try one?
Of course! Would you like to try, Sylvester?
Yeah.
Ganting strawberry ba oh? Tingnan niyo. Sobrang laki. Tanggalin natin. Tingnan niyo po sa kamay ko. Mas malaki pa sa ilong ko. Look, Sylvester, the size of the strawberry. Do you like it? Ang laki. Oh, have a look this one, honey. It's huge.
I bet we can get back.
Ang batang unlimited ng strawberry. Look, Sylvester, there's more red here. Yeah, ang daming strawberry. Panay move tayo para marami ang ma-harvest. Ito. Yung isa, relaxing, kumakain ng strawberry. Grabe, ang laki. Kailangan mong hanapin talaga itong kulay na ganito. Yung iba, tingnan nyo, oh. Grabe kung makabunga yung strawberry. Ayan, second batch ito. May mga green. So isang punuan, as in parang 20 yung bunga. It's amazing kung gaano po ka daming bunga po ang strawberry dito.
I'm eating mine.
Ah, do you?
Because one by what? This is by sweet.
You like it? David is harvesting and Sylvester, what do you got? Ooh, lots of strawberry. Tingnan nyo, marami pang bunga dito. Naglilibot po talaga kami kung saan yung mas maraming bunga. At ito, dito rin po sa kabila. Tingnan nyo, ang lalaki. So, di ba? Ang galing namin maghanap kung saan ang mas maraming bunga. At dito rin po sa kabila. And Dave is na-miss na mamimitas. Go, David! Go, Daddy! Yeah. Oh, Sylvester's concerned. Meron daw tractor. That tractor gonna hit Daddy?
Yes. Mommy, hurry up.
I don't think so, darling. Daddy's gonna be alright. Go. Use your bucket, Sylvester. Good
I
job.
don't have any books.
Yeah, go. You can pick. Go look for strawberry. Look for more strawberry, Sylvester.
I'm looking here for the sign store. Oh, woohoo. And what's this one?
Yeah. Is it lots of fruit there, honey?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Oh, look at the back. Tingnan nyo, oh, fresh.
Oh, it's turning.
Yeah. Go, keep picking, Sylvester. Look, Sylvester, there's a lot of fruit here too.
The one was on here. Oh, this.
There we go, look. That's a good one, isn't it? Good job, Sylvester. There we go, look. Tanggalin ang steam.
Then it's doctor and mom.
Oh,
Oh, look at
oh, it's a ripe one. Ang expert ni Dave, ang dami nang napitas. You're expert, honeybee.
Really? There's fruits in it.
Is it?
There's fruits cutting.
Well, look at this, honey.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. That's so big, Sylvester. Of course you can have it.
Because I would love to eat it.
Yeah, I got one more.
Mine's a bit
You
small.
gotta remove the steam. Let's keep walking around. We can cross to the other side. Come, Sylvester. Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
I love this color. Wow, look at that. It's good.
Beautiful.
Mm.
Let me try more.
Someone dropped this one. Ang laki. But it's rotten. It's rotten, Sylvester. We gotta keep walking around para mapuno ang ating basket. Oh, where are you, strawberry? Is it a ripe one? Hindi na ito harvesting, kundi mukbang strawberry. Wala tayo, hindi tayo ito makapuno. Panay kain lang. How was it, guys?
It's right.
Is it great? Or ours, it's a lot better?
I think it has its more flavor.
Yung dalawa,
Strawberry.
hindi na namitas itong dalawa. Panay kain na lang. I will choose this one for you, honey. Probably it's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How was it?
Yeah, it's good.
Can you try this one? This one's better.
At after how many minutes po namin namitas, ganito na po karami ang aming napitas. So yung prutas po, it's everywhere. But lucky, napuno pa rin namin po itong aming basket.
But this one.
Hmm?
This one is good.
Okay. You like to pick that one?
It looks a bit fun.
Of course, you can.
What one's the just they have the big one?
Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
It's funny shape, but it's still good.
It looks a car.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh.
Look, Sylvester. That's the funny toad shape, isn't it?
I found one. I found one.
Look, Sylvester, there's a ripe one
I
here.
found a small.
Okay, that's nice. How about this one? There's a ripe one there. Mm. Ooh, look, look, look. There's a ripe one there. So, ganito na po ang aming maging farm strawberry. So, farm po ito as in business po siya. Kaya napakadaming bunga. Look, Sylvester, there's a tractor. We might have to move. Oh, look, Sylvester. There's a rooster. Say hello, rooster. You gonna bring rooster to our farm? The rooster have a girl. Para makalay egg sila. Oh, hello.
The dark one looks like tiny.
Yeah, it does looks like Timmy. Is that their egg there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a one egg over there.
Look. That one was like
They're eating strawberry.
ice cream.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's have some ice cream.
Okay, let's have some ice cream. What a lucky boy! After harvesting, tingnan nyo, may pa-ice cream si Sylvester. At ang lalaki po talaga na strawberry ang na-harvest po namin. Wow! That's a good idea. Nilagay na yung strawberry sa ice cream.
Mommy, can I try some strawberries and chocolate?
Oh, isi-share mo ito sa chooks. What a special trip. At after po namin mamitas, ay mag-drop by pala kami sa aming kaibigan. Kung naalala niyo po yung panahon na wala pa kaming bahay, doon po kami nakatira sa cabin. Our friend, Auntie Mina and Uncle Peter, napakabait po nila, kaya naisipan po namin bisitahin po namin sila since it's been a long time na nag-visit kami sa kanila. Guys, malapit na po kami sa bahay ng aming kaibigan at ibibigay po namin itong bagong pitas po na strawberry. And what do you got there, Sebastian?
I got some
So,
eggs.
ito po yung tomato po namin na tanim na kakapitas lang po talaga this morning. Lahat po talaga ito halos mga fresh kasi yung itlog ay organic. Itong tomato po namin organic. At itong strawberry, kakapitas lang po today. Kaya let's continue travel. Nag-stop lang po kami dito kasi umuihi si Sylvester. Malapit na po kami sa bahay ng friend po namin. It's about mga 2 minutes lang to drive. We're here! Auntie Mina's house. Imagine guys, we used to live here, no? Nakabalik na po kami. Tao po! Hi! Say hi to Auntie Mina. Hello! Eto, magtutour po tayo sa garden ni Auntie Mina. So yung last time po ay puno po ito ng bunga ng orange. Oh, look at that! Zucchini dito si Auntie Mina din, oh. May passion fruit. Maganda magtanim ng passion fruit sa amin. At ito pala yung naging tahanan po namin before. Dito po kami nakatira sa cabin for how many months bago po kami nakabili ng bahay. At ang sarap pong balikan kung saan po kami nagsimula bago talaga na nakamit namin nakabili ng bahay. Ito po yung cabin nila, Auntie Mina. I just remember, nung nag-move po kami dito, may napako-comment kung hanggang dito na lang talaga yung buhay namin, yung palipat-lipat. At nag-reply po ako na darating yung panahon, makakabili din po kami ng sarili po naming bahay. Pero I just remember, nung nandito po kami, we're quite happy dahil napakamura po ang rentahan dito at makikita nyo po, napakalinis po ang cabin. Ang charge po nila sa amin, it's around more than $100 a which week. Is malaking tulong po yun sa amin habang nagsisave po kami para makabili ng bahay. So ito yung kwarto ni Sylvester before. Malaki po yung space at love na love ni Sylvester ang kwarto na ito. For the size of this cabin, malaki na po talaga para sa isang pamilya. Meron po ditong toilet at ito yung naging kwarto namin ni Deb. At gusto ko din po ang kwarto na ito dahil malaki po yung space. And yes, masaya po ako na nakabalik po kami dito kasi ang dami po ditong memories. Na bago kami nakabili ng sarili po naming bahay, ay ito rin po ang naging inspiration po namin kasi sobrang laki po ng property ni Auntie Mina. So sa countryside po talaga, normal lang po talaga yung malalaki yung backyard, maraming puno, marami pong prutasan. At tingnan nyo to, it's so amazing kung gaano po kalaki ang puno na ito. This is actually mulberry. Napakalaki niya at sobrang daming bunga. Na-amaze lang po talaga ako kasi nagtanim po kami ni Deb sa aming backyard. At the moment, bibi pa lang po at ito, higanti na po na mulberry. At si Sylvester, gustong gusto niya po kainin ang mulberry. Matamis po kasi siya at napaka-healthy po. Hi guys! We're finally home! So, it's nice po na nabisita po namin sila Auntie Mina and Uncle Peter. And of course, to see the cabin kung saan po kami before nakatira. And guess what? We got a surprise for you, Chooks! Share din po kami ng strawberry to our Chook. Are we gonna give this one to the Chooks?
Yeah, to talk.
What a lucky Chook! Grabe! Special tong treat nyo. Napaka-special because it's a very fresh one, isn't it, Sylvester?
I got the vinya.
You got the vinya? Nilagay na ni David sa kanyang kamay. Hindi ko na po siya kinat ng maliliit dahil since yung strawberry ay soft naman po siyang kainin. Kahit may tag-iisa po sila.
I like strawberries.
Oh, of course. It's hot today. So it's good to have strawberry for refreshing.
They're picking them up.
Yeah.
I want somebody to pick this one.
You say that?
Yay!
That chip's picking up so many.
Which one?
This one.
Tingnan niyo. Lahat sila may tag-iisa po na strawberry. So, di ba may pasalubong kayo? Galing kami nag-harvest, kumakain kami ng maraming strawberry, and of course, kayo din.
The ants love them.
Now, it's time po magdilig ng aming mga halaman. So, marami po kaming tanim, kaya it's takes time po talaga pag magdilig po kami. So, normally, ganito po ako magdilig para hindi po ako pabalik-balik. Kasi si Deb ay gumagamit po ng watering can. At pag ako yung magdilig, ganito lang po talaga. So, yung lettuce, they love water. We plant our lettuce dito po na area kasi mayroon pong puno. And meron po silang a little bit shed at napaka-importante po talaga pag magtanim po kayo yung halaman. Meron pong shed po in the afternoon. So ito po yung aming silver bait. Ang silver bait ay they love water. Hi Sylvester! You want silver bait for the Chucky? Tot, binigyan na natin sila ng strawberry.
And lettuce.
Oh, lettuce!
Chucks want so many.
They want lettuce? Okay, I'm gonna give some lettuce this one. I think this is ready to harvest. Gusto ni Sylvester bigyan ng ng lettuce yung chooks. So, here we go, darling.
Okay, bye.
They're all making a noise now. Ito yung best holiday ni Sylvester, spending time with us and spending time with chooks and learning a lot with the garden. Hi Sylvester, one more. Hapon nung namitas po kami ng strawberry, medyo malamig. It's a bit windy kasi nasa yun sa may mountain area. And today, bumawi naman, mainit. Dito tayo. Medyo late kami nagising this morning. Sana pala, gumising kami around mga 6. Kaso si Sylvester, ayaw mag-get up ang David. Late na nakapag watering. Normally kasi pag may isang pumunta dito sa garden, lahat. Kailangan lahat. Marami pa lang nagko-comment na sana tanggalan ko po ng mga dahon itong aming talong since it's a lot to bleep. Gusto ko talaga sana siyang tanggalan pero kasi sabi ni Deb, since it's summer, it's coming, baka po magka-sunburn po yung mga talong dahil mainit. Dahil mainit po dito pag summer sa amin na area and yung talong ay kailangan po nila ng a little bit shed. But yes, thank you so much po sa mga nagko-comment. Kung necessary po siya na kailangan ko talaga tanggalan, siguro tatanggalan ko siya later on pag medyo malamig ang weather. At the moment, mainit. Ganito po yung itsura pag nagkaka-sunburn po yung talong, habalok. Yan po siya. Kaya natatakot si Deb tanggalan ng maraming dahon dahil baka magkaka-sunburn po ang aming talong. Ayan. Hindi naman siya damage yan sa inside. Probably sa lang, sa balat lang. So guys, meron po talaga kaming strawberry since hindi naman talaga masyadong marami kaya pumunta kami sa farm. And si Sylvester na excited din pumunta doon dahil maraming bunga at malalaki yung strawberry. Pero itong aming strawberry po ay napakasarap po yung lasa niya. Very tasty than the big one. And everyday hina-harvest ito ni Sylvester kasi gustong-gusto niya mag-harvest everyday. And ito po yung bunga niya. Ito yung bunga ng aming strawberry. May mas malaki pa dito sometimes pero hina-harvest agad po namin. And ito po yung bunga ng aming strawberry. Maliliit lang yan, pero grabe yung lasa, napakasarap. So si Dave na po yung nag-watering. At meron din po kami ditong strawberry sa kabila. Papakita ko po sa inyo. Ito po, may mga hinog din po. So syempre may din po kami, may sarili po talaga kaming strawberry. Ito po, mga hinog na po siya. And meron din ditong hinog. Tapos, ayan. Punta po tayo doon sa kabila. Ay, yung tomorrow po namin ay maraming nanghinog na naman po. Nag-harvest po ako kahapon para ibigay kay Auntie Mina. And then, palagi talagang may hinog na. Yan po. Doon, the next few days, maging kulay red na po talaga yan. Si Sylvester. Sylvester! Are you done with the Chucky? Okay. Ito po ang aming cucumber. tinatanggalan ni Dave ng maraming flowers at bunga kasi gusto niya mag-climb talaga sa itaas muna bago po pabungahin namin ng marami. Pero nakapag-harvest na po kami dito once at napakalaki po ng cucumber and it's very tasty. At ito pala ang aming tomorrow po namin na isa. Hindi ko po sa inyo napakita. Marami din po itong bunga. So, yung variety ng tomorrow po ito is cherry tomorrow. Napakasarap po ang cherry tomorrow. At may mga malalaking bunga po, different variety. And I believe hihinog na ito siya in the next few days. Marami po sa ilalim nagtatago at marami pong maliliit na cherry tomato which is napaka-tasty po talaga. At nagplant pala dito si Dave ng bulaklak. It's marigold. Ang ganda po nila tingnan. Tingnan niyo po. And may mga capsicum din po. At dito po, nagtanim din po ako dito ng talong. Same po to the other side. At may chili din po ako dyan. Ito pala yung aming sitaw. I'm so happy na slowly na po nag-climb. Tingnan niyo po, oh. Healthy na po siya. So, sitaw po ito. One of my favorite beans. And I can't wait na lahat magka-climb na sila dito. So, try ko po to ilagay. Nilagay ko po to dito for the shed. Kasi getting ready po sa heat wave. Di ko alam kung okay po ito siya. Kasi baka kasi mamatay if it's too hot. Marami po akong nilagay po dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say po kung may makasurvive po later on pag may 44 degrees. At pag mainit po talaga, yung mga manok, dyan po talaga sila nagtatago sa, sa punuan. Which is makalaking tulong po na may puno po dito. Otherwise, medyo mainit po talaga pag nandun lang talaga sila sa may araw. At alam niyo po ba, itong puno na ito, pagdating po namin dito, akala po namin puno lang po siya. At parang napabayaan po siya since yung bahay na ito, it was listed for sale. Siguro hindi nila nadiligan. Alam niyo po ba, akala ko puno lang ito is actually prutas po ito. Lokat. Yes, this is actually lokat. Binuhay po namin kasi I identify the tree and doon namin na-realize prutas pala ito. So, hindi siya bumunga this year. Supposed to be harvest po ito in the last 2 months. Pero, hindi po ito nagbunga this year, yung aming puno na lokat. Kasi, parang pamatay na po siya eh. Kaya, binuhay po namin. And, meron po dito malaking puno din na may mga bunga. Pero, hindi ko po ma-identify kung anong klaseng puno po ito. Nag-watering po kami dito sa aming veranda. Dahil, mainit po today. Tingnan niyo po yung manok nagkalat. Maganda po dito, parang may rainforest po kami. Hello darling, are we gonna use the blower?
Yes, can I use it?
Of course, do you know how to use it? Can I use it? Maraming dust, mga dahon. It's heavy. Ito po ang aming Clucky Choc. We have to separate her sa nesting po kasi akala niya she's having a baby. Ito po in the last 3 weeks. Palagi na lang siya doon sa may itlogan sa may nest kasi akala niya yung itlog ay maging baby. So we have to separate her this choc to the nesting area po dahil parang hindi na siya nangingitlog and then hindi na siya kumakain. Palagi lang po talaga nakaupo sa may itlogan. And the best thing daw gagawin ay, kailangan namin siya i-isolation. Kailangan daw namin siya i-isolation. She's been here around in the last 5 days. And hindi pa rin po siya naka-move on. I think we need a baby hen.
Baby chook.
We need a baby chook, Sylvester. Or we need a rooster.
I want the rooster.
Remember the rooster in the strawberry farm?
Yes, I want then. I'm chook.
Yeah, kasi gustong-gusto niya na magkaroon ng
We
baby.
need baby chook for the classy chook.
Kasi yung mga itlog po nila ay hindi po yung fertilizer. As in, ang nagpapaitlog lang sa kanila yung pagkain. So, it doesn't matter kung ilang araw po siya doon nakaupo sa nest, hindi po yun magiging sisiw unless meron siyang rooster. So, we probably need to buy a rooster.
I want baby chook.
Want a baby chook? And that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!